select start new project, and it will show you list of templates. Choose empty activity, click on next. Now in this window it's showing your project name, your package name, then location. You can change the location of your project, and it's showing language. Java is my preferred language, so I will choose Java, and it's asking for the minimum API level, that is the platform you are targeting. I mean to the minimum platform. It's also showing percentage in terms of the number of devices running on this platform. After choosing it, let's click on finish. So now just let's click on finish. So as soon as I click on finish button, it will show some. Okay, oh, it's showing errors. Okay, because my internet connection is not working and Android Studio is trying to build Gradle, right? So it requires internet connection for the first time. So first of all, let me minimize all the unnecessary windows, and let me open this windows, and yes, click over here, try again. Okay, this will again try to build a Gradle. Of course internet connection is required, and as you can see it's start synchronizing. It's downloading some files from the internet. We will wait for a while, it will take a long time. Now our Gradle has built. So now see the number of errors are not there, means it's not showing any kind of error because we have successfully downloaded necessary files. Here we have design view. As you can see, it's showing design as well as blueprint. You can switch in between. Let me zoom it. Let me minimize unnecessary windows. Yes, you can switch in between. This is blueprint, this is design view, and it's so design plus blueprint. Now let's see. Okay, that is a constraint layout by default. Now let's see the main activity, which is the coding, which contains coding. So it's also not showing any kind of error. It means there are no such errors, right? So now we can run our application. So we will hit on run button, but it will not run because we didn't create any AVD. As you can see on the bottom of the window, it's showing error message, no targeted device found. So now this will the icon for the SDK manager and AVD manager. Okay, we will see the SDK manager. See here you can manage different SDK. It will show the list of available and installed SDK. You can download latest SDK from here. Now let's see how to create AVD. Okay, AVD is the device that we require to run our program or project. So we can test our application. So hit on the AVD manager, and it will allow you to create one AVD. This is the first time we are creating AVD, so there are no such AVD are there in list. So we'll choose one device. I suggest choose device with the lower resolutions because it requires less number of RAM. Then click on next. Now it's showing you the appropriate system images. First one is recommended. So Android Studio recommended this system images, but you can download other also, right? So to download, you just need to click on the download, and it will start downloading it. Yes, as you can see, it will take a lot of time. Let's wait. Once it, yes, it is get downloaded. Now just click on finish. It's, yes, it's refreshing. Now we have downloaded system image. Now we will specify the device name, and we can also change some properties like number of RAM it requires, and the device frame, landscape, portrait mode. So you can change these properties if you want. Then just click on the finish. So now our AVD has been created, and now we can test our application on this virtual device. Now let me create another AVD, and I have downloaded Marshmallow for it. So I will select Marshmallow rather than Q. Okay, you can use any SDK. And let me test my application on this AVD.